Hey y'all, I'm Shelly. I wanted to show you this air fryer that I've gotten. I ordered about 8 months ago and I use it just about every day. I don't leave it on top of the counter all the time because I need all the prep space that I can get. I've got quite a few boys to cook for. So the first thing I'll tell you is that it's very light and it cools down quick to put it away. I love that feature. But it's super easy. I just take it and plug it in and it beeps to let me know, hey, I'm ready. I usually put whatever I'm cooking in here on tin foil just because I get one thing out and put the next thing in. So you just push the start button. You adjust the time for what you need. You push that middle button again for the temperature, and then you just push start and it starts preheating, which is super quick. By the time you get your tin foil out, your food on the tin foil, it's pretty much ready. It'll say add food. You pop it open, you add it in there, you close it back, and it'll start counting down for you. It's wonderful. I would highly recommend it, especially if you have to cook for a lot of people, because I usually cook in 2 or 3 different meals a night for all the picky eaters at our table. And I love that it's so quick and easy. So if you are looking for an air fryer, I would definitely recommend this one. And if you're watching this, I hope you have a great day.